Hello and welcome to World of Floorcraft. We are Karen and Nelson Rose, and this is an Intermediate Modern Jive Clip showing you how to do a figure 8 flamenco. Knowing how to do a flamenco already would be helpful. The accordion flamenco is probably the easiest one to learn, so I will stick a link to that in the description below. It's also a good idea for you to already know how to do a figure 8. Again, I'll stick a link to a figure 8 clip in the description below so that in case you're missing something, you can go back and fill it in. As long as you know those things, you're going to find this nice and easy. It goes like this. It goes 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2 and 3. So let's break it down. It starts like a standard figure 8. We go semicircle back, twitchy right hand, so gunslinger hand, bringing the lady in, we switch into the right, shaking hands grip, comes up over the guy, so standard figure 8, guys are turning left, dipping the hand, taking it across, ladies are going around to the right, so turn direction. We're going to offer the left hand as we step in. We're going to take that hand, we're going to flick the right down to the right to lead a return spin, but we're going to pick up that left hand en route. Guys walk into it, guide the lady with the right, and we're heading into a flamenco. From here, ladies might connect to the guy, or they might not, might just go for a nice arm line, but we're going to walk for 1 and 2. We're going to roll the lady away on 3, catching 4, returning 5 and back 6. Let's do numbers all the way through. So we go back 1, over the guy, 2, dip and turn the lady, 3, offer the hand, 4, return spin, 5, walking 6 and 7, spinning 8, catching 1, return 2 and back 3. So let's try it together. Here we go. Figure 8 flamenco. 5, 6, figure 8 flamenco. It's a back, over the guy, over the lady, offer the hand, return spin, walking 1, 2, spin away and catch, return and back. And that's it, your figure 8 flamenco. Hope you find that fun out on the dance floor. We will pop a nice track to practice to that move to on the end, so in the windows that come up in the last few seconds of the video, one of those will be a song. Do like, subscribe and hit the notification bell. It helps promote what we're doing, and it means you don't miss out. Every time a new video comes out, you'll get told. So as always, thank you for watching World of Floorcraft.
I hope you have enjoyed learning some modern jive. There is a link to some music that is good to dance modern jive to. Thank you to everyone who hit subscribe. You are helping us to make more clips. Thank you. Keep dancing.